Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Bandai Namco account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to login.bandainamcoent.eu. As you land on an interface like this, you will be asked to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. So what you can do is you can pick up the same method that you used in order to sign up to the account. So if you signed up through email, you can simply type in your email address, your password, and then tap on connection. Here I'd created my account through Gmail, so I'm just going to tap on the Gmail button, and then I'll have to select the account that I specifically created the account with. And then after I select this particular account, I will then get directed towards a page where I will be able to have been logged into my account. So wait for a certain while, and as you can see here, I'm already logged into my account now. So this is basically how you can log into your Bandai Namco account. It's a very simple process, and I hope that I've been able to guide you through it. If it was helpful, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.